Hello students, today we are going to begin with a new lesson from our second unit 2.2, A True Story of Sea Turtles. True Story of Sea Turtles is written by Vishwas Bhau Kadare. He is an animal conservationist in Konkan, Maharashtra. He is the founder of the Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, that is SNM, in 1992, that works towards the conservation of white-bellied sea eagles, white-rumped vultures, and olive red-legged turtle nesting sites. He is a member of the Maharashtra State Wildlife Advisory Board also. The story or this article, A True Story of Sea Turtle, is about how the author Bhau Kadare, along with his volunteers, have saved the sea turtles by involving the villagers in their protection campaign. This lesson is based on basically wildlife and ecological protection. Here he talks about his own experiences found on the beaches. Would you love to listen to the story? Okay, let's begin the story of sea turtles. Let's begin with the title, A True Story of Sea Turtles. True means what? Here this particular story or the experiences which are written in these articles are facts. Okay, let's begin. We were surveying the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. Inquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs. See, we means what here? The writer and his team, when they were surveying is what? They were gathering the information about the white-bellied sea eagles. Sea eagles, these are the day birds which basically found near to the sea waters, and their bellies are white, that's why they are called white-bellied sea eagles. So when the writer and his team, when they were surveying into the beaches, one of the volunteers in their team saw some shallow pits. Shallow means what? Some deep pits with white eggshells nearby. What did they find over there? They found the eggshells nearby. When they inquired to the villagers, they come to know, the inquirers revealed means here they disclosed, they told the information that those were the shells of turtle eggs. And this came as a surprise. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. And here when they saw those turtle eggs and the villagers told them about it, the writer was surprised because they said that they did not see such type of turtle eggs in their life on the beaches of the Konkan. And that's why we decided to study this unusual occurrence further. The writer and his team decided to study this unusual means what? Very rare or the strange occurrence further. See, we all know that the author is an animal conservationist, and that's why they decided to study about these animals too. We learnt that the beach where we had found the eggshells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month after people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. What did they learn about? They found that where they were trying to find such eggshells, that particular area had been sealed. Sealed means what? No one was allowed to go over there, or that particular area was sealed for the public nearly for 1 month. Why? Because they found that smuggling work was going there, smuggling of silver bricks. These silver bricks basically found on the beaches. But what we learned further shocked us to the core, and after that, whatever they have studied, they tried to collect the information, was shocking for them. What was it? Let's see. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state. We all know such type of turtle nest where we can find it on the entire coastline of our Maharashtra. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning. Now, combing means what? Searching for the eggs. Now, these sea hunters or few people, what they were doing? They were going to the beach early in the morning to see for those eggs, because this they can do in a secretful manner in the early morning. No one goes in the morning. When the female turtle comes on the shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. Now, how these villagers or the egg hunters able to find where the female turtle had laid her eggs? So, whenever female turtle goes on the shore during the night to lay her eggs, she leaves behind a trail. Trail means what? Like some marks. Okay, when you see, when the vehicle goes on the sand, we can able to find out the mark of the vehicle and the mark of the footprints of a human being. Yes or no? Same way, these villagers can able to find out the trail of a turtle, female turtle, very easily, and they follow that particular track. So these egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. And when these marks gets over, it means the turtle had made her nest inside that particular pit. Okay. So how she is creating that pit, I will tell you. So they dig up the nest and steal all the 100 and 150 eggs that are laid inside. And what they are doing, they are digging that nest and stealing those 100 to 150 eggs which the turtle had laid inside. These eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market. So they are eating it or selling it into the market. So if a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. Okay, so what they were doing, if the turtle have not finished laying, so what these egg hunters are doing, they are allowing her to live in the nest. As soon as the laying is over, the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. And what they were doing, they were taking those turtles, they were stealing those eggs, killing and eating the turtle too. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. Ruthless, this cruel practice or this activity is being observed in all parts of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So in India, the turtles have got the protection. This particular thing is included in our law, Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. What is this? This is an act of Indian Parliament was being given for the protection of animal and some plant species too. We all know that this means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. So we all know that tigers also have got such type of protection, and this particular law is included in our articles too. So why this is being done? So that people will not kill them, people will not hunt them. Okay, they should not hunt them. That's why this particular law is being included. And we all know all these species are in the process of extinct, and this should not happen. That's why such type of protection is being given. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried on in a secret and hush-hush manner. That's why this business means what? Yes, finding out the nest, collecting the eggs of the turtles, killing them, selling them, all these things are carried in a secret and hush means what? Confidential manner. This information was distressing, really disappointing. We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. So the information which they have got was disappointing, and that's why the writer and his team decided to start one more project for the protection and the conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. Turn the page. We had no experience regarding sea turtles. So first of all, we undertook a study of turtles. We all know for the first time they come to know about the eggs and the turtle's nest, etc. That's why they did not have any kind of experience. So what they have decided? They have decided to study first about these turtles. So they contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles in India. So wherever such type of already some institutions are working for the protection of these sea turtles. So writer Bhaukardar and his team contacted to this institute so that they can gather information about it. The next step was launching a turtle protection campaign at Velas, Taluka Mandangad, district Ratnagiri. So where they have started their first project at Velas, where it is in Ratnagiri. This was done with the support and cooperation of the forest department. Of course, they need a permission from the forest department. As a part of the campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for turtle nest on the beach in the morning. As I have already told, that writer and his team have decided, they have decided to involve some villagers also, because villagers are perfectly knew how to find out this nest and how to collect those and how to give protection to this nest and their eggs. So when they came across a nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with the wire fencing. So whenever the female turtle when comes on the shore during the night, what she has done, with the help of her flappers, what she is doing, she is rotating her body and making a pit, and she creates a cavity around it, and there she laid her eggs. Now all these things already known to the villagers, and that's why what they were doing, they were removing those eggs from the nest and they are burying them again in another similar pit, but at the same time they are giving some wire fencing, means what, protection to those eggs so that no one can steal it. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent theft, and they need to keep a watch also so that these stealing should be stopped. In the first year, we could successfully protect 50 nests in this manner. How many? 50 nests in the first year they successfully protected. When the babies hatched out of the eggs, what an event that was! When small babies, when they came out of that hatch, after the hatchling, or those small hatchlings came out from the eggs, the scene was really very wonderful and amazing. The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle. All the villagers came over there on the beach to witness the spectacle. Spectacle means what? Yes, a scene, amazing scene. When the tiny turtle hatchlings hurried across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea, what an ovation they received from the onlookers. Now, when small hatchlings, when they were running and walking on that silver sands, okay, that particular scene was really very amazing, and they received ovation. Ovation means what? Appreciation. They received from the onlookers. Onlookers means what? The spectators, those who have come over there to watch and to become the witness of that particular scene. Some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen and stolen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was for the first time that they had seen the hatchlings rushing to the sea. See, from many years, these villagers are watching, stealing, everything they were doing. But finally, when they saw this scene, they confessed, they agreed that yes, we have stolen turtle eggs right from the school days. But this is for the first time that they had seen those small hatchlings and they were rushing towards the sea. See, it is being said that from 2002 to 2006, the writer and his team, or the Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, they have released such type of 7,610 hatchlings. This is really a very big achievement they have done. All right, now let's begin. Move further. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world. How many types of sea turtles in the world? 7 types of. Among them, 5 of which are found in India. Which are they? First is olive ridley. Then we have green turtles. Third is hawksbills. Fourth is leatherback. And the fifth is loggerhead. So these are the 5 types of turtles we can find in India. An amazing characteristics of turtle is that when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearly after a gap of 15 years, she returns to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. See, don't you think that this is really very amazing, that whenever female turtle, when it comes out of her egg, and when she reaches her maturity after the 15 to 20 years, she comes back to the shore, on the same shore, to lay her eggs where she had born. Okay, so this is really very amazing. The female comes on the shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs, and immediately returns to the sea. So she doesn't wait over there. She immediately, after laying the eggs, she returns back or goes back to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. She doesn't come back. The eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days using natural heat. Have you seen such type of hatchlings? I think so. Sometimes pigeons, yes, pigeons comes in our balcony. They lay their eggs over there, and for hatchling, what they do, these birds, the pigeons, they sit on their eggs to give a warmth. And after giving warmth, a small birds, or the small pigeon birds, are coming out of the eggs. Yes, have you seen that? Yes, of course. So turtles' eggs also hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days. But listen, here the female turtle or the mother turtle doesn't sit on its eggs to give warmth, but here they are getting the natural heat. Clear with this? Innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. Innumerable means what? Lots of, so many dangers means what? They have to face so many challenges, problems are waiting for those small hatchlings in the deep sea. Why? Because their mother not there, so they have to face them all on their own. And this is the reason the survival rate is therefore as low as just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. Okay, why their survival rate is very low? Because they are facing so many problems in the sea. Turtles perform an important function. What is important function? Yes, why turtles are very important and why we are giving protection to them? The first thing is that they keep the sea clean. Okay, and this is the reason we are also in our lakes or in the wells, they keep these turtles, because they keep the water clean. Thus they occupy an important place in marine ecology. So considering all these factors, it is vital means what? It is important to undertake their protection on a large scale. And all these are the factors, and because of it, we need to give protection to those turtles. Is that clear to you? Okay, so what we have done today, we have learned that how the author and his team, while surveying, found out some pit of sea turtles or the female turtles, and there they come to know all about the ruthless activity is being carried over there with those turtles and with those eggs. And then after that, his team decided to give a protection to those sea turtles, right? And where they started this campaign first, they started this campaign at Velas, and they got the success. And there, how many nests they have saved? They have saved the 50 nests over there. Okay, so and why nowadays the protection is being given to this turtle because there are so many factors that these small turtles or the baby turtles are all alone on the seashore. Okay, no one is there to protect them. So many challenges they need to face. They keep the sea clean, so for our to maintain our ecological balance also we need them, and they are now extincting, and that's why, considering all these factors, we need to give protection to those sea turtles on a large scale. Okay, the remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Now for today I'm giving you few meanings about this lesson or for this part. See here: revealed, disclosed, onlookers, spectator, hatchlings, a young animal that has recently emerged from its eggs. Hush hush, highly secret or confidential manner. Unusual, strange. Shadow, little depth. Pit, a hole. Ovation, an expression of appreciation. Ruthless, cruel. So these are the meaning of this part. The next part we will see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.